Alright, and we're recording, I think. Alright, so this is a Youtooz. You might have not heard of it before, but yeah, this is the first one I've gone, so we're gonna open it. This is gonna be very unprofessional, but what you expect from the channel. So let's open it. So oh, keep in mind that the Youtooz will not be a oh, come on, let's just wait a second. Alright, oh god. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, I'll cover that side up. Has shipping label on it, which has my name and blah blah blah. Oh wait, open this side now. Oh. Ah, there we go. Alright, yeah. Let's open this side up. Hopefully this doesn't have, I don't accidentally show my face in this video. Ooh, which is, ooh. Alright, now we gotta put it down the, oh. Okay, I gotta edit that out. This is very, very bad unboxing. Hope they don't accidentally scratch up my box. Oh yeah, if you don't know, Youtooz are very pricey collectibles, so I don't want, I can always get like a replacement box, I just don't want to bug them. Alright, let's see if we can open it up now. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, I just letting you know I won this Youtooz in a giveaway, so you can look at the side right here. Yeah, let's slide it out. Come on. Oh, wait. Alright, it has like a little bit of a plastic wrap here. Oh, yeah. And, ooh. Let's take off the plastic. And there it is. JC Caylen. I don't know who that is, but I don't care. I got it for free. So yeah. Let's open it. So let's look around. So we got a vinyl figure. Yeah. There he is. Let's look at the side. Has like a bit of some lines. Oh wait, actually let me turn on the flash so you can see it. So there are some lines right there. There's a UFO. Ooh. And more lines. So yeah, let's take off the sleeve and oh. Alright, yeah. Now let's look around the box. This is my good side. In 2010, JC Caylen started his career on YouTube, and his lifelong goal was for him to be made into an action figure. Today is that day, and that action figure is in your hands now. Oh yeah. There's the Youtooz eyes right there. There's the other side of the box, and there's the figure inside there. JC Caylen vinyl figurine. Now let's open this up. Don't want to damage the box on accident. Oh god, I feel like it's gonna break. I gotta say, these boxes are annoying. I don't know how people open these up. Ooh. Bit of accidentally damage on the box there I made. Ooh, gotta open the box up. Just annoying because I'm not good at anything. Oh, there we go. Why did you open this? This is a collectible. Because I can't open it. I want to see what it looks like. So it's oh yeah, there it is. So I don't know how this opens up because I'm really bad at all this. Oh wait, there's like a little. Oh god, I'm really bad. Oh yeah. Oh. So yeah, there he is. Let's look around. So, as you can see, you got the ripped jeans there, the shirt, the thing. Let me just move this out of the way real quick. Alright, so. Wait, here we go. Oh, God, that's fell. So, there it is. Alright, let's see. All the signs. And yeah, there it is. My first use is, let's look at the finer details. We got some tattoos right there. Wait, there's some writing on that one. It says, I can't read that good. Into stars, not spotlights, that's what it says. Lover, and then there's like tic-tac-toe right there. Right, like, yeah, this is a very detailed figure, I got to say. Youtooz.com, Youtooz right there, yeah. You can see. Yeah, I keep forgetting where the camera is. Sorry about that. But yeah. I'll see. Quite weighty, so yeah, my first Youtooz. So yeah, that was a good figure. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video for some reason, I don't know why you would. It was pretty terrible. Ooh, that's the plastic insert. So yeah, let's just put this back in there. Not like I'm gonna ever sell this, so it doesn't need to stay in the best quality. So I'm not selling this. It's a collectible. I'm not supposed to get rid of it. But yeah, I won this in the giveaway. If I said that like 5 times, haven't I? So yeah, if for some reason you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe, and if you really want to, you can always what's it called? You can comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know what the other thing is. I don't know. I'm not professional at all. So I'll just put this back in its box. Yep. Oh wait, I forgot. There's Youtooz eyes right there. Yeah. This is an entire thing. So yeah, I'll link Youtooz down in the comments below. So yeah. This has been going on for way too long. I'm really sorry for this, but yeah. That was my first Youtooz. So yeah. See you guys whenever I upload in like a year or something. Or my next Youtooz. There we go. In like 2 months. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But